Good morning, guys. I woke up so freaking early this morning. I woke up at 6:15. Can you believe it? But anyways, so what are we doing today? I'm going to try my level best to jog for 5 minutes today. I think 5 minutes is like pushing it too much. I think 1 minute should be fine. I ran for 2 whole minutes, guys. 2 whole minutes. And I'm exhausted. My aim was to run for 5 minutes. Fuck. I'm back from my jog. I need to buy oat milk, but I don't know if I should take you to the grocery store because isn't that kind of boring for you? I don't care, you're coming with me. But do I really have to go to the grocery store? Because I can just order it online. If I get parking, we will go to the grocery store, or else we are not doing that either, okay? Wow, I actually did get parking, guys. It's your lucky day, you're coming with me to the grocery store. We are going to buy my oat milk and that's it, okay? Nothing else. Do you want something? I'm so tired. I'm back. I got my oat milk and that's all I got. I didn't get anything else. I'm so proud of myself. I usually go to a grocery store and I at least buy 5 things before leaving the grocery store, but I'm so proud of myself, guys. But anyways, I'm done with my task for the day. I will see you tomorrow because today is a work day for me. I have a very, very long branded shoot. And you know one more thing, I'm leaving to Pune in like a few days, guys. Do you want to come with me? Oh my god. Yes. Here's the thing. For some reason, we feel like if we are our best selves in January, we will be like that towards the rest of the year, which is absolutely bullshit, okay? It is already Feb 3rd or something, and you guys must be feeling like, oh my god, I was not my most productive self in January, and now what is going to happen to the rest of the year? There is a lot that can happen if you get your act together right now. I just took a shower. Also, I received a PR package and I thought I'll do an unboxing here. Obviously, they've sent me a jar of Nutella. But you know what's crazy? They've printed my name on it. Just look at this, guys. I'm so special. I can't wait to have this all by myself. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna share this with my brother. The best way to eat this, I feel, is to take a spoon and just like dig into it and eat it. But once in a while, I like to have it with bread, like toasted bread, not normal bread, toasted bread with Nutella. Oh my god, love it. I just took a picture of this Nutella jar. I'm gonna give them a little shout out, and after that I'm gonna eat it. Yeah guys, look at my priorities. I'm thanking them first because hello, I have manners, and then I'm gonna go and make myself a Nutella toast. I'm back. Today is the 5th of February. Another day, another productive life. Here are a bunch of things we need to do today. I have a meeting right now. Like, I have to make a phone call right now. Yeah, that's perfect. After that, I need to edit a branded video and then also edit my YouTube video. After that, I need to take my cat to the vet. She has to get a checkup done, so I'm taking her to the vet. So I just got a checkup done for my cat and she has fever. She's gotten a few injections and also she has to take a few medicines for a couple of days, but she will be fine. Let's go home now. At 4 o'clock, I have to attend an event for Bodycraft. Basically, they're hosting me and they're giving me like a nice hair massage, and I'll also get my nails done. So it's going to be like a nice, fun self-care day kind of thing. came during the daytime and now it's nighttime. But look at my new nails, guys. Wow. And look at my new hair. It looks so good. And last but not the least, we have to pack because tomorrow I'm leaving for Pune. I don't know the drill, guys.
अरे यार ऐसा मत करो यार. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good?
I'm good. I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm super excited. I hope you guys are also excited to see us.
Are you guys excited? अरे क्या बात है? थोड़ा image बदल रहे हैं. You guys, have you seen her content? Yes. कैसा लग रहा है? Thanks. ये तुमने बोलो. झूठ मत बोलो.
Good one, Bolo, guys. So if you actually know me, you will know how I started. It was because of fun, and then all of a sudden COVID happened. I was chilling at home doing nothing, and hi guys. Hi. So guys, I'm with Divya Gupta right now. You guys might have seen her. But yeah, we just got done with the fest and now I'm going to give you guys a little haul of everything that they gave us. We have a shoelace and then we have some bracelets. Then we have a shirt. There's something written on it. Oh, dear Ayman. Oh, there's a little note here, guys. Wow, they've given me jewelry, guys. These days I'm really into jewelry. It's a ring with a bow on it, guys. Yeah. Then they gave us a box of perfume. Ooh, wow, fancy. Should I apply it now?
Yeah, please.
It smells pretty good. It smells really nice. They gave us a lip cheek tint. So cute. And last but not the least, they gave us a little notebook. Is this a notebook? Yeah, it is, I think. No, it's a comic book.
Ooh.
Oh. Ooh. Thank you so much, Symbiosis, for giving us this little hamper. And for having us. I just checked into my hotel. This is the Radisson Hotel in Pune. And they've put me in the business class room, guys. Oh my god, I feel so special. Like Symbiosis College of Pune, top-notch hospitality, guys. The way they've been looking after me is crazy. Every 2 minutes, somebody keeps asking me, do you want to eat something? Bro, like the way they're looking after me here. Ah, so cute. Do you guys want a room tour? As soon as we enter, we have a mirror over here. Bathroom. Then we have this massive room, oh my god, with 2 twin beds and a huge window. And it's just me here, guys. So basically, I'm planning to go out tonight, but I don't know where. Me and my friends are planning to go somewhere. Let's see. Bro, what a huge TV, man. I just saw it just now. And also, okay, so this is a long ass story time. Basically, today I was supposed to land in Pune at 12 and then my flight got cancelled. And then the 1 second, somebody's at the door. My first time here in Pune with Divya. You know the thing with Divya and I is we have traveled together. Yeah. We've gone to Delhi together and we've gone to Pune together.
And we roam around all the...
Yeah, we explore the cities together. This is our friendship, guys. We just meet to explore things together.
We meet,
yeah.
we work, we explore.
Yeah, we meet, we work, we explore. Friendship goals right here. Good morning, guys. I'm still in Pune, but I have a flight to catch in about 2 hours. So I'm chilling in my hotel room right now, but we will leave to the airport in a while. This vlog is starting to feel like it's a never-ending vlog because I started on Monday or something and it's already Thursday. So I hope you guys are not getting too bored of my company. But here's an update about my health. I'm not well actually. I have a very bad cold. And yesterday my friend Divya gave me this balm. Suppose you have a blocked nose or something, it helps you breathe better. Do you want to see it? Okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to apply it on my nose now and just watch me cry in 3 seconds. Can you see I'm crying? Oh my god, my nose is getting red. Can you see? This thing burns the hell out of my face, but then it really works. Like, I've been applying it since last night, and my blog nose is getting so much better now. But the only sad thing is it burns like crazy and it makes my eyes water. Oh, fuck. But anyways, let me just get dressed and then let's leave for the airport. I'm back in Bangalore. So I went to this bakery called Kayani Bakery in Pune and I bought these Shrewsbury biscuits for my family, and I want to do a taste test with you guys. Ah, it smells so good. It smells like butter. It straight up smells like butter. I don't like biscuits too much, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to try a little bit of it. It tastes like a butter biscuit. It's really good. It's really fresh and really crunchy. I think I'm going to finish this whole thing, guys. It's really good. So what are we doing today? First things first, I need to shoot a reel. फूल हूँ गुलाब का, चमेली का मत समझना, आशिक हूँ आपका, अपनी सहेली का मत समझना. I just came back from Pune last night, so I need to unpack. And last but not the least, I need to clean my room because it looks like there's been an earthquake here. So let's get to work. देखा है तुझको जब से है मैं तो हिल गया, लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया. मम्मी से क्या डैडी से भी मिलाऊंगा तुझे, अरे जो भी मैं कहूँ तुझे लगता है क्यों गलत. I already had my matcha this morning, but I'm going to drink one again right now. I don't usually drink matcha in the night, but today I was just craving for it, so that's why I've made it. Cheers. Shit, yeah, I forgot to put honey. Hey, shot laga. And also for my dinner, I'm having biryani. Usually I have dinner with my family, but today I'm sleeping early, so I'm gonna have my dinner early. ये कपबोर्ड के अंदर खोल. It's in a big bottle. बस. Much better. These days, me and my brother play Uno together. So now we're gonna play one game. Wow, look at this, guys. We have the famous Dubai Kunafa chocolate, which is given by my mom's best friend. That's good. My mother has come to my room to gossip with me. She's my gossip buddy these days. And I'm giving her the latest tea of my life. Bro! I was about to end my vlog and then I suddenly realized that I did not get to complete that story that I was telling you guys in Pune. Okay, so basically what happened was I took a plane from Bangalore to Pune, okay? Did you see the way he jumped over me? He did that again. Okay, can I please finish my story? So basically what happened was I had to take a flight from Bangalore to Pune. And once I reached the Bangalore airport, I found out that the plane that I had to take to go to Pune was cancelled. Not delayed, cancelled. And then I panicked, okay? I was like, will I be able to make it to Pune or not today? I have this whole event and what am I gonna do? So I went to the help desk and I was like, bro, what am I supposed to do? Apparently my flight has been cancelled. What do I do? Then she's like, ma'am, just calm down. Let me just check if there's another plane that you can take. And then she tells me, no, there's no other plane that you can take. I lost my shit. And then she was like, wait, I have this update about your flight. It has been moved to another time. So I had this flight in which I was about to land in Pune at 12 p.m. so that I get, to the college on time and then I get ready and then I can go to the event peacefully. Okay? And now this new updated plane that I had to take to Pune was leaving at 12 p.m.
I was supposed to land at 12 p.m. and this particular plane was literally taking off at 12 p.m. So I was extremely late for the event. But I made it just in time for me to like eat and then do my hair and makeup, and then I got on stage. It was perfect. It all worked out for the best. But yeah, this was my little story time of how my flight got cancelled for the first time in my life and how I had to take another plane and how I was late. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Let me know if you guys liked my editing style and also my vlogging style. This was very, very, very different from my usual vlogs. Bro, he jumped on me again. But this has been very different from my usual vlogging style and usual editing style. So let me know if you guys like this so that I make more of vlogs like this in the future. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.